Yo, what's good, boys? Today did not take any trade, obviously, because of the elections today. It was very 50-50. A lot of people were saying that today's going to be good. A lot of people were saying that today's going to be bad. And, I just made the smart decision to just not trade at all, okay? Not manage or not risk my capital and trade a possible day that could be bad. Because I've never traded in an election day. We haven't had one in 4 years. So I've only been trading for a year, have never experienced this. And so I just decided to stay out today and, learn from the experience. So, as you can see, nothing lost, nothing gained today. We did have PMI at 10 a.m., as well as, obviously, the elections the entire day. Price action was actually pretty fucking solid, to be honest, and took two tape reads, and I'll go over that in a second. So first thing noted, we have stacking bullish SMT, okay, from yesterday all the way to last week. Yesterday we failed to swing the prior week low, forming another SMT. So what are we doing? We're stacking bullish SMT, which is just leading to even more bullish conviction. Okay, so then going into today, we obviously were in a high time frame range. Just chopping, look at the equilibrium of this range the entire way. We were chopping in and out, in and out, in and out. And that's also another reason why I stayed out. But yeah, so a focus on London, I see that we have a small minor SMT, bullish SMT on London. London opened right here. We manipulated lower on ES. Yep, ES we dumped lower right here. Formed the SMT. And we continued higher from there, okay? And I would like to mark out this fair value gap right here because I was focusing on this fair value gap pretty much the entire run higher, okay? And pretty much London, after we formed this manipulation, I expected New York to distribute. And pretty much just London's consolidated for the rest of the time. Right, engineering buy side liquidity. Not really. Yes, we were engineering sell side as well. That's why I was kind of 50-50, but more again leaning towards being bullish because where is the SMT? It's at the lows. Okay, we at the time of New York open right here at 8:30, we had no high time frame bearish SMT at any of these highs. Okay, if we had SMT right here, yes, it might be different. SMT, over here at these highs might be a little different. Okay, but we didn't have any high time frame bearish SMT at any of these highs. Okay, we were just straight up engineering buy side, continuously failing to swing this high right here, okay, which told me that most likely we are going to see that high being targeted very soon. So what happened was, yes, we are continuously respecting this 15-minute BISI consequent encroachment. Fucking beautiful price action right here. Not really, yeah, like consolidation-wise, but how we are respecting this consequent encroachment and staying away from, closing below it and just respecting it. Fucking just beautiful. That is a great sign you want to see in the market for, respect of a PDRA. He's watching the consequent encroachment. And so, yeah, New York, this was the manipulation. This was our Judas swing that we had, forming another SMT. And again, same thing, same situation as yesterday. This SMT right here, this London SMT, is a protected low. Okay, you do not want to see this low being taken. Okay, so if I told myself if price continues dumping right here, okay, even though we had no high time for bearish SMT, if we just decided to continue dumping lower and disrespecting this bullish SMT, as well as failing to form bullish SMT right here, we are going to continue lower to this engineered sell side from the prior day, okay? But what we did was we failed to swing that protected low, which is extremely bullish, and we held this bullish SMT right here. And look how we closed on these 15-minute BISIs on the candle. 15-minute candle closes on this BISI, right? And from there, wanted to see expansion higher after us inversing this fair value gap and continuing to these smooth highs right here. Priority smooth highs, all this shit. Fucking super clean highs. And then the buy side up here. Who the fuck is calling me? Watching election results. See the crypto effect on our live results map. Right. And so, yeah, let me show y'all boys the callouts real quick on Discord. Yeah, so I said ran lower off of market open. I believe this was our Judas swing, and that's exactly what it was. This dump right here forming this SMT and failing to sweep this low, this protected low. I anticipated that this was the Judas swing. This was our manipulation for New York open, okay? And then expecting a continuation higher to these highs as well as these prior day smooth highs, okay? No buy side has been swept. No SMT at the highs. Okay, expecting these two levels. If we fail to form high time frame bearish SMT at 21.75, then I'm expecting higher prices. 21.75 was these smooth highs. So if we pumped right here and we form a bearish SMT across these highs, or these highs, then possibly we could be looking for shorts, okay? But I said that if we fail to form SMT at these highs, if we sweep it, if we fail to do so, I'm expecting for price to continue higher even further to prior day smooth highs, okay? So, yeah, pretty much said that, I was kind of 50-50, but still expecting buy side. Where does it say that? Could go either way. We have stacking bullish SMTs and London bullish SMT. I'm more bullish than bearish due to the fact of where SMT is being placed. Okay, that is what I pretty much base my entire bias off of today, because liquidity was very 50-50. We could go either way. We had smooth prior day lows and smooth prior day highs. Okay, we could go either way, but I just waited on SMT, waited on the manipulation to really form and to really show me, okay, where is price actually going today? Okay, so just being patient, sitting back. And then anticipated a retracement after this large pump. Expected a retracement lower into the equilibrium. Obviously, we never got that. We ended up actually retracing. I expected these unfilled bissies right here, these 1 minute unfilled bissies, to at least one of them get filled, okay? Because typically this is just a huge unbalanced range. Okay, we have multiple large fair value gaps that were failed to be filled in any way, shape, or form, okay? So typically those are pretty good targets. We ended up targeting this one, not targeting this one. This is the breakaway gap. Targeting this one, form SMT at the lows, and then continued higher for the rest of the day. Okay. So, going into the paper trades that I took, the whatever it's called. Tape read trades. I took this inversion right here. All of it's on my Twitter. I posted like live executions or whatever. Entered right here, put my stop loss at this low, okay? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3 fair value gaps. Okay, based on my experience, I like to place my stop loss unless we get a large, push, a large momentum, very obvious momentum going higher right here with multiple just fucking gapping candles higher. Then okay, I might, tighten my stop loss a little bit just because I know how fucking fast we're moving. Most likely, we're not going to retrace a lot. Honey. Honey, 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 honey.
Oh my god.
My football just had to get me a little honey and fucking bagel break. So, yeah, I took this long. The reasoning why I put my stop loss here again was because we have multiple fair value gaps that are unfilled. We have these two right here. And typically price, it can retrace and tap into these before going higher. And I've dealt with that problem a lot and gotten stopped out. So, yeah. Like to place my stop loss right here below the fair value gaps, just to be as safe as possible. Targeted 2R. Did not want to target all the way up here. That would have been a fucking crazy RR. Didn't know if today was going to be good or not, for sure. So off the embargo left, I just took a 2R trade right here, and instantly got out pretty much. So yeah, we had SMT at these lows. SMT at these lows, and I just want to see higher price action. Or price to all these smooth highs right here. Okay, this is my break even. These smooth highs are my break even. About almost halfway of my take profit, which typically that's kind of like my rule. Really like no closer than that. And yeah, we just fucking instantly take profit. And then the second trade was on the 1 minute. And again, all these on fucking Twitter, so I'm not bullshitting this shit. This is the second one. Very clean fucking setup. Targeting the prior week smooth highs at this point. Yes. All these smooth highs. So pretty much, or prior day smooth highs. My fault, boys. SMT down here. The Judas swing. Right? So that's a one high time from SMT, and now low time from SMT right here as well. So this is looking extremely bullish. Look at how we are respecting these PDRAs as well, okay? Bullish order block. Tapped. 1 minute for value gap being respected very cleanly, okay? Bodies are failing to close outside of it. We're just mohawking it, okay? And then once price had this huge fucking move, all right, that's when I entered. Entered about right here. Stop loss down here at this low. And no, it was at this low here, the close below, okay? Right here at this low. And I targeted I believe it was this. If it wasn't more than, hold up. Might have not been that. Okay, yeah, it was. Fucking perfectly 2R. Target that buy side. Stop to break even right here because there's really no other area where I can put my stop to be. Put stop loss to break even right here. We also at this point had SMT at the prior day high, so just being extra cautious. Move my stop loss to break even at this. As you can see, price continued higher, and yeah, we fucking took that shit. All right, so not a bad day today. You know, we learned from this shit. You know, next election that we got 4 years from now, I may trade that day. We'll see. But yeah, bro. Hopefully trading tomorrow. We have no news, but we do have FOMC Thursday, so it can be very iffy tomorrow. If the low time frame and the high time frame look absolute dog shit, staying out again for another day. Again, playing it super patient, boys. Waiting for the best A+ setups, the best conditions. And if that means I don't get to take 1 or 2 trades that week, then that's all that matters, bro. If I'm taking the best trades given, the best opportunities given, then that will be when I will capitalize on my opportunities. And yeah, bro. So hopefully tomorrow, price action is somewhat decent. Probably catch a trade maybe the first hour of the market open in class, sadly. And then we'll go from there. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed today's video, found something helpful from it. And so if y'all want to join in the Discord below, it's called Creed. We got a bunch of fucking killers in there, just guys trying to level up their lives, through fitness, trading, all that shit, literally all of the above. So if you're trying to join the community and create some good ass relationships with these dudes, join up. And yeah, we'll be glad to have y'all, boys. We always do calls. We have free Notion templates talking about ICT strategies, as well as psychology, as well as fitness, and all these things are made by me. So if y'all have any questions about any of that stuff, or how to start trading or anything, bro, reach out to me and I'll be glad to help. Peace out, boys.